Hey guys, this is Miss E Monique. This is just a face tutorial of the eyeshadow tutorial that I did. Right now I'm putting on the matte primer, which helps with the oily spots, especially the T-zone area. I'm putting on a dark spot concealer. Right now I'm just going to blend the concealer out to cover it more and to make sure it's not shown throughout the foundation once that process is started. So I'm just like blending it out, getting it in all the areas where I have dark spots. Here I'm going in with my foundation. I'm just applying it to my face, and then of course I'm going to start blending it out. Okay, so here I'm doing what I call contour. So this is my first time actually attempting it, and I've gotten better since this, but this is me trying to do the contour, putting the dark at the top so it's blending in with my scalp area, but it also highlights a shape in my face. So here I'm contouring the nose. It just makes it look a little smaller than what it normally is, and gives it like a straight, perfect, surgical look. So here I'm just going in with the setting powder, setting it and blending everything out to look even. So here I'm about to apply the lip plumper and primer. I like it. It kind of gives a tingling feeling, but you can tell that your lips are a little plumper. And my bottom lip is plump already, yes, I do know, but I like to add it to my top lip mostly. get my lips ready for the lipstick part of this tutorial. I used a nice orange lip, and I was thinking, should I do an orange liner or a red liner? But I like the orange better. So here I'm about to go in and start highlighting my nose and my cheekbone area. I'm not mentioning the products that I use because of course this isn't a paid collaboration and I don't get paid to promote their products. But yes, I'm highlighting my nose and my cheek areas. Right here, I'm just putting that highlighter underneath my eyebrow to highlight my eyebrow bone and give an effect to the eyeshadow. This here is a finished product. A photo of the complete finished product will be popping up.